Welcome back, fellow innovators. Today we're taking a leap into the future on our journey with MaiLab as we explore artificial intelligence integration. MaiLab's AI data scientist is a real game changer in the world of manufacturing. It's an AI-based analytics support system that empowers users to harness the power of data without requiring specialized knowledge of data analysis. The first step to becoming a data scientist is to identify what problems you want to solve and then setting clear and measurable goals to help you solve those problems. Next, data must be gathered from your hardware. After that, auto mode kicks in. This smart feature picks the best ways to prepare the data, analyzes it, and even learns from it, so anyone can make learning models without a fuss. No more stumbling around in the dark when it comes to data analysis. MaiLab will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you make informed decisions based on the insights gained from your data. With MaiLab, creating a complex AI model requires just a few simple clicks. The AI diagram is generated automatically, allowing you to select the complexity of the model based on your specific needs, whether you need the model fast or you want the highest precision. Having a model ready at your fingertips means you can start your data analysis journey immediately. MaiLab provides you with a precision score to evaluate your model's performance, ensuring you make informed decisions. With MaiLab, you can always improve the analysis model manually, but what's remarkable is how simple it is to get started. Even if you're just beginning with data analysis, MaiLab helps you delve deep into your data and uncover important insights without any hassle. And there you have it. You've seen how MaiLab's AI analyzed and processed our whole positioning operation. But there's one step left to fully integrate it with the actual production process. Stay tuned for the final episode and keep innovating.